I made myself a small metal working workshop. That ain't finished, I'll show you that later. But moving everything around caused chaos in here. The last couple of weeks I've just been working, doing all sorts of stuff. I've got loads of clips, but I haven't really been able to put together a project as such. Just doing bits of work. I'll see if I can put them together and make some kind of video for you. Pick out the best, or pick out the bits that I think are worth showing. But finally, time to do these alcove doors. They've been sat on this shelf for way too long. Hopefully they haven't twisted. We'll see. I'm going to take them up now and fit them. Right, they're looking good. They don't look like they're twisted. I'll pull that out. I just need to take about the width of a saw cut off all the way around. Just give them a bit of clearance. That one just needs to come up that way. Same there. Right, so they're looking okay. Caps look okay. So what I can do now, slide the hinges in to the old pockets and mark where I've got to chop these ones in. H for hanging. Put a packer in that bottom end. Got a screw in the top. Now I should be able to swing that out. Get some screws in down there. Just got a few screws in each one, in each hinge. That don't need to come down a fraction, but it needs planing a little bit off here, and they need giving a bit of a leading edge So I'll just do a little bit of planing on there, but they're looking good. Flush at the top there, flush at the bottom. Excellent. Just a little bit of refining to do now. I'll loosen the screws so the hinge will just drop just a fraction, then put the rest of the screws in, and that'll make them gaps parallel. That's looking okay. Bit of clearance there. Get the knobs back on, the magnetic catches. Give it a bit of a sand.